there for you. Too easy to let her go. She was one from your past.